This is Seal-A-Tron's Kombi Wrapper 3. This is our combination L-bar sealer and shrink tunnel on one frame. You have your film carriage and your pin perf system, the loading table. This machine is shown with the optional discharge conveyor. And this is a hot wire L-bar sealer. Comes also equipped with the GFN tunnel conveyor. And the controls for the tunnel are digitally controlled. Heavy-duty mag lock and controls for the L-bar. That's our pin perf system again with film guides. And this machine is activated by a proximity sensor to activate the seal wires and magnet hold down. Also included on this machine is our easy out seal pads, so you can easily remove them, change the tape, change the padding, and then put them back into the channel. This project is showing us shrink wrapping remote controls. L-bar is brought down, product conveys in, there's a diverting plate that sends the product through the center of the tunnel, and as it exits the tunnel, the shrink film will tighten around the package. Once again, from a top view standpoint, product is brought into the film, seal bar brought down, discharge conveyor will activate and push the product into the shrink tunnel to complete the process.